On a quiet, sunny afternoon, a curious orange cat lounges by the window. Something in the garden catches its eye, a shimmering fish gliding just beneath the pond's surface. With growing excitement, the cat creeps closer, muscles tensing. Then, in one swift leap, water splashes as the chase begins. Moments later, the cat emerges victorious, a proud hunter with its catch. Settling onto the soft grass, it enjoys its well-earned meal. And as the sun begins to set, the satisfied cat relaxes, content and full after its little adventure.